This battery has been dead for months, 6 months or more. This car has just been sitting there. Do you think we can revive this battery? It has less than 1 volt, 0.8 volts. Is it possible? Stay tuned and we'll find out. Okay, so I got my handy dandy charger. I'm gonna go ahead and hook up the battery. So this right here, you can see it's going to ground. So this is our ground. I'll hook that up second. This will be our positive. Also it says positive, a big positive right there. And then our negative, I think we're supposed to hook it to this screw. I'm going to hook it here. So our second one, I'm going to hook it right here to our negative. And see if there's any difference when it's not even charging, I don't think. So what I'm going to do, oh, okay, I've got it on trickle charge. I've got it on trickle charge. Let me put it up to regular, see if it does anything. It's moving just a tad. So I'm going to leave it on this quick charge for a while. See if anything happens. See if we can get the voltage up some. If that doesn't work, I'll put it back on trickle charge and try that. If you know how I should really do it, let me know in the comments below. So it's been charging a day or two, and still it's 0.87, 0.88. It's not even a volt. So I don't think it's been charging at all. So we're going to try disconnecting it and see if that helps. If not, I brought some solar panels I'm going to hook to it, see if I can charge it that way. It's been 2 days now since I put this trickle charge on this battery, and you can see it seems to be charging. So I have hopes that the voltages are going to be over 12, and then I'm going to put this battery analyzer on it, and we'll see. So let me unplug this charger. And we'll go to volts. Plus and minus 13 volts. 13 volts. So I'm assuming you can see that. So let's just try the battery analyzer. Now we need to know cold cranking amps, CCA, cold cranking amps, 550.
So last time we did this, we did it on a 600 battery. So positive, red, negative, black. Battery analyzer, 13.13. That's good. So we're going to hit enter. It says battery test, the top line. It's out of vehicle. As far as I know, it's a regular battery. We're going to do CCA. We got to go down to 550. Okay, so I'm going to hit enter. It's doing the test. Says it's a good battery. 13.13 volts, 563 cold cranking amps, measured 550. It's got more cold cranking amps measured than the capacity, the rating. So, so far, this is a good test. Let's do a draw test. I mean, a load test. Did we really bring this back from the dead? Unbelievable. I thought it was dead. So this gets hot when it does the load test. This whole thing, this is like a heat dissipator, a heat dispenser or whatever. So we'll be looking at the 12 volts. Red is bad, yellow is weak, green's going to be good. 5 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. I can feel some heat coming. Ooh, it's getting warm. It passed the test. This battery is fine. What once was lost has now been found. Okay, well, in a few minutes after I get it hooked back up, we can try it out. I just happen to have a wrench in my back pocket. Here. All right. I can just crank it right where it is. Let me move this out of the way. Everything else can stay there. Running. So you can revive a battery from the dead.